Draw an A4 size, 210 by 297 mm rectangle. Hold Ctrl and draw a square. Rotate to 45 degrees. Select both. Press C to align centers vertically. Increase the size about 220 millimeters. Move upwards. Contour inside, 10 millimeters offset. Break contour group, Ctrl K to break. Select all nodes using Shape tool and go to Window, Dockers, Fillet. Enter corner value 20 millimeters. Click on Apply. Select the inner object, click on Contour inside, 10 millimeters offset. Right-click, break contour group apart. Select the inner object, hold Shift and select the middle one. Click on Trim. Right-click on Image, Power Clip inside. Click on Inner Object to Power Clip. Click on Object to edit Power Clip content. Adjust the size. Click Outside to close Power Clip window. Create a copy of outer object and place it on the edge of outer object as shown here. Select the nodes using Shape tool and enter the corner value to about 15 millimeters on the option bar. Contour inside, about 25 millimeters offset. Draw a parallel line using Freehand tool. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete these objects. Change color using Interactive Fill tool. Copy-paste same color. Drag and drop with a right click. Click on Option, Copy Fill here. Change color to black. Copy-paste color and edit fill. Select both, hold Ctrl and drag, press right-click to create a copy. Click on Mirror horizontally. Hold Shift and select Rectangle. Press R for right alignment. Select Ellipse tool. Hold Ctrl and draw a circle. Select Circle and Rectangle. Press C. Move circle in upward direction until it intersects with the corner. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Hold Shift and increase the size of the circle. Press right-click to create a copy and Ctrl R once to repeat. Smart Fill. Change color. Remove outline of both the objects and power clip inside the rectangle. Give white color to the rectangle. Select all and remove outline. Click on Group.